This is the classic Ender 3 3D printer loaded with features. As you can see, it's got a nice LCD controller. It's 110 volt to 220 controlled. Heated bed, nice control with X, Y, and Z access, big stepper motors, big build space, and there's your leveling controls. So this is the classic Ender 3. It's got the PLA set up, and pretty nice machine. The machine is on. As you can see, the panel cycling, and you can do all kinds of adjustments. Just push the button, prepare. So you can preheat the PLA or the kind of material you're using. You can set it for home, which we've done. Let's see what happens. So it immediately starts homing, and it's going up and down and doing whatever it does. It's in the home position. Still going down. And that allows you to calibrate the bed. And there's screws on the bottom back here, and you put a little piece of paper in here and you slide it until it just touches the heat bed, and you do all four corners a few times, and then the bed is calibrated. So I push the disable stepper button, and allows you then to move what you have to do. You can manually raise it up or lower it. You can use a power to do it also. You can also use the move access button. And turn on the knob. It's your Y-axis. So it's a pretty nice little system. It's a